we are so happy to be here. It's the first time that we do a physical fair within our new entity, Mobility Safety Solutions. So what we're doing here is to show both from our history, where we come from, and how we can make ourselves relevant in the world of urban mobility.
So we have seen that for car occupants, we have made a difference. And that's also, we save more than 30,000 lives every year with our products, and that's been a great success. And with the change in mobility, we now need to look outside the car. We know that out of the 1.35 million people that die every year worldwide, 50% of those are actually outside the car. And that is why it's so important that we adapt to the new mobility forms and that we also make a difference for these people that are outside the car.
We're bringing a slightly different angle on some of our previous innovations. Here we're really focusing and concentrating on how people move around cities and how those people get injured as road users in cities.
So here we displayed some inflator technology, mainly cold gas inflators, which are very suitable to wearable applications, such as the one we use to protect motorcyclists, for example.
In terms of crashes in urban environment, it's frontal crashes when you impact a car. And basically we look at the simulation and we saw that the first thing that happened is that the rider will hit the car with the head. So we said, okay, we need to do something about it, and that's where we propose to our customer, okay, we will put an airbag. This will have two effects. One is to absorb the energy, and the other effect is that we will change the trajectory. So instead of hitting directly the car, you will be diverted to another position. Aero is a company operating autonomous pods. They somehow need a passive safety solution to really protect the pedestrian. And that's where we propose to have a pedestrian airbag, so to apply what we learned from the automotive industry for this specific application. So we did some simulation with them to understand how much energy we could absorb. Most probably the pedestrian will have a ribbon and hit the ground. So we also simulate to understand, okay, what is the shape we need to have.
So I think this is a great event where we see new forms of mobility, what is happening in the cities and all of these creative ideas on how to transport people. But we also see that there is a need for the safety mindset and how to support this new mobility when it comes to safety.